Hi, it's Melissa with My Membership Minute, helping you get the most out of your membership community. Just a reminder that we have a YinDulgence workshop this Sunday, January 28th at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Time and 4 p.m. Pacific Time. So if you scroll down to the meetup section, which is right here at the top, click on the YinDulgence section, then you'll see all the links for it. You click here, you'll see the description. The focus of this workshop will be a natural detoxification process of Yin Yoga. In February of 2018, we'll be focusing on fascia. It will be Fascia February. And in this workshop, we will explore the two ways that Yin Yoga can clear the fascia of debris, toxins, and bacteria that build up in the tangled and bent fibers of our fascia. In this Yin Yoga workshop, we will stress and compress the collagen networks of the body, which will lengthen the fibers of your fascia and free toxic particles. So I think this is going to be a great workshop. You can join us here. If you click here, there's links to join the workshops, whichever one works best for you. Also, the other thing I wanted to let you know about is that we are reading a new book in our community right now. We just started it a couple of weeks ago. Actually, really, we just started reading it now. So if you click on the membership book club, and Maria's just posted the reflection for the introduction here. Lots of discussion here. So we're reading Daring to Rest by Karen Brody, and she's got a reflection here, some classes, and a guided meditation. This book really is on yoga nidra. So there's a yoga nidra here, and there's a yin yoga to help you sleep as well. What I am doing in conjunction with this is helping to prepare your body to sleep. So if you go, I'll put a direct link in the show notes as well, but if you go to our Monday meditation class from yesterday, I started to prepare your bodies for the yoga nidra with guided meditation. This experiencing our inner world, we are practicing 3-part breath now, and we will do so over the next few weeks to help prepare our bodies for the yoga nidra practice. I expect to be bringing it in sort of mid-February, mid to late February. I will be bringing in yoga nidra practices around that time. But this talk, Experiencing Our Inner World, Waking Up to Our Outer World, it talks a lot about how somatic meditation and yin yoga increase the range of our emotional experience and sensitivity, and also wakes us up more to the experience of what's happening in our world. And then we do the 3-part breathing, which will prepare your body for yoga nidra. And yoga nidra is a very deep practice and deserves respect, and so that's why I'm taking the time to prepare your bodies for it rather than jumping right into it. So I highly encourage you to build this practice of 3-part breathing into your rotation or in the next coming few weeks if yoga nidra is something that interests you. Okay, I look forward to exploring these practices with you and seeing many of you on Sunday. Namaste.